Hey guys, today I'm just going to be showing you the difference between, these are the same brand, the Pinky, I think is how you say it, brand of metal detectors. We've got the adult size version and the children's size version, and I just thought I would show you the differences between the two so you kind of know what you're getting and how they work. So some of those differences are going to be pretty obvious. This one is a lot smaller, good for child size. I will say I'm like 5'6", and when I hold it like this, it is like about an inch above the ground. So a smaller adult could actually probably use this and be okay. Now, this has got like a basic handle. Obviously, the base is not, those are kind of at the same distance now. The base is not as big around on the children's version. One thing that I noticed, because I've been testing them on like this like metal lid that I have, on the children's version and the adult version, they're both picking up about the same distance, which is pretty cool. This is just going to cover more space, obviously, because it's bigger around, right? Now, for the child's version, you have the screen that sort of pops up that then folds back down into it. With the adult version, you have your kind of big display right here that's going to give you a lot more detail. When you power that on, you're going to have all these different modes. It will show you, like when I scan the top of that lid, this one blinks because it's like a basic metal and it's letting me know that. It's kind of cool because then you're not going to waste time digging up something that's going to be useless to you, right? And then this one powers on just from the side right here. Let me turn this other one off. It's probably reading something underneath my floor. So with the child's version, you're just going to kind of power it on from the side, hold that power button down, and then you can see it's picking up that metal lid right here. Okay, so that's how the kids version works. And then after I've powered that off, on the adult version, we'll try that out. And we got this here. So you can see it starts to beep at about the same distance as the child's version. And then it's just got more on the display that's going to show me, which is pretty cool. The children's version comes in this smaller box like this. So everything kind of fits in that. And it comes with these two plastic things that can be used to like dig in the sand. They are really heavy duty though for something plastic. And then they have these thumb grips on them as well that are kind of nice, sort of a rubbery feeling. The adult version is going to come with a few more accessories. So let me show that to you. You are going to get this bag. It's a pretty tall bag and it comes with this strap as well. So a great little carrying case. You are going to get this headset that you can use if you don't want other people to be able to hear the beeping. And then I thought this was really cool. I didn't even know I was going to get this in the package. But this is really like heavy duty and I was super excited about that. We're going to open this up and you're going to see it's got this protective cover on it, but it's got measurements here and these ridges on this side. The ones on this side are a little different. They're kind of on this part that's further down. And just really well weighted. And then this handle has a really good grip. So this was just a pleasant surprise for me because I didn't even realize I was getting it in the package. Anyway, if you want to get both, that's a great way to have some family fun. And I know I'm really going to enjoy in Florida checking out all the beaches here to see what I can find. So anyway, I hope that was helpful to you. Have a great day.